Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set criteria in Excel. Setting criteria is a fundamental skill for anyone working with data. It allows you to specify conditions for filtering, counting, or summing information. This easy method helps you quickly extract meaningful insights from large datasets, making your analysis much more precise and saving you valuable time. You will learn how to define specific conditions to target exactly the data you need. Wildcards offer incredible flexibility when your criteria are not exact. The asterisk represented by a star symbol can stand for any number of characters, while the question mark, a single question mark symbol, represents just one character. For instance, S*TH would find Smith or South. Remember to use a tilde before a wildcard if you want to search for the wildcard character itself. When you need to apply more than one condition, Excel provides powerful options. You can combine criteria using and logic, where every condition must be met, or logic, where at least one condition needs to be true. For more intricate scenarios, Excel's advanced filter feature allows you to set up highly specific multi-criteria rules across several columns, giving you precise control over your data. To ensure your criteria work perfectly, always double-check that your data range is accurately selected. It is a good practice to test your criteria on a smaller portion of your data before applying it to a very large spreadsheet. For extremely complex calculations, consider creating helper columns to simplify your criteria, making them easier to manage and troubleshoot. These tips will enhance your efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.